Hello and welcome on today's video, Silver Coin Stacker. And today we got just 3 packages to go through and see what is inside. Let's get it started. Put them 2 on the side for now. I believe we might start with this one. Like always, Martin Silver Trader, you can clearly say from the packages. It was in a massive order, it's only a few bits and bobs which I would like to add it to my collection. Packed very well. And another one. Yeah, now we got it. So like I mentioned, Martin Silver Trader, go check him out. He got a few nice pieces on his website. It was got them bad boys. If I remember, it was 150 of them, and he sell them with like literally one day. They go extremely quick. If you're looking for one, yeah, they still on the way, and as far I know, it's another 2 weeks, and he is expected to get another 200. So it's good to know. It's definitely good investment, which we clearly see it when we go on eBay or different platforms. They definitely go on price. And this one is the new Batman. So the Batman story, it starts, if I'm correct, with that one. I'm not sure, let me know in the comments. I believe that was the first release. And so far I believe that's the best design for me. That was the second, and now it's the third one. So I definitely gonna be carry on collecting them. It's a nice piece. End of the day, who doesn't love Batman? Moving forward, we still got something more. This one we need to be careful when we open it. It's like don't want to damage packaging of the Queen Beast. So yeah, I decided to give a go with one like that without the blister. Let me show you. Sorry. That way. I believe the capsules should come off on eBay quite quickly. So I definitely wanna keep one on my display. Let me put it back. So I go for that one, and then the last one. The last one is Koala 2025, 1 ounce 9999 silver. King Charles. I got the collection of them somewhere over there. Not gonna be taking up them now. So I was missing this one. Let me do that way. We're gonna put them one on the side. Just gonna leave it demo unboxing for today. And I believe that might be interesting. Whoever watching my video knows that I was stating that bit of silver, more to gold. I keep the promise. Wait, it's no invoice over there. No, I didn't see no invoice. So I believe we're gonna get some yellow metal inside. It comes from Charles. Very tiny. Oh. Let me have a look. What do we got? Yep. Let me just double check they locked. So here it is. Maybe that way. Another two tiny pieces of my favorite metal. I try to do a bit closer. It's 2/4 of the ounce added to my collection, but it's not everything. That's the last one. I know 99% of you knows already where it's coming from. The question is, what exactly are they sent this time? Because I ordered quite a few bits from them. So invoice. So even I'm not sure what exactly it's inside this time. Envelope. I believe I know what's that. Oh. So yeah, another two. I'm gonna take them out so we can see them properly, how we should see them. No, it's everything fine. So I got literally quite a few of them now, and still some more on the way. We see how, if I was right, if that's gonna be like good investment. Because the difference, if you go between them and them, you can only get from the Royal Mint and they cost like between 5 and 6 quid more than them. The cheapest I see to get them, which I purchased few as well, I just waiting for them, that was costing me about £36 each, which was very good price. Unfortunately them was 44 something, so yeah, you can clearly see the difference in between regarding the pricing. So yeah, guys, that's it what we got for today. It's not huge, it's always something. Remember, always adding something to the stack. And see you soon. See ya, guys.